The Dacia Duster is back, and it's better than ever. For 2024, this budget-friendly SUV has received some significant upgrades while staying true to its roots, offering unbeatable value for money. If you're looking for a practical, capable, and affordable SUV, the Duster should be at the top of your list. This isn't some fancy, overpriced car for the elite. The Duster is for the everyday person who needs a reliable, do-it-all vehicle. It's for families, adventurers, and anyone who appreciates a good bargain. With its updated design, enhanced features, and efficient powertrains, the 2024 Duster is ready to tackle anything you throw at it. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off the beaten path, the Duster has you covered. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we delve into what makes the 2024 Dacia Duster the ultimate budget SUV. The 2024 Duster retains its rugged and robust design, but with a touch of modern flair. The front end gets a new grille, sharper headlights, and a more sculpted hood, giving it a bolder and more assertive presence. The sides feature pronounced wheel arches and sleek lines that accentuate its muscular stance. At the rear, new taillights and a redesigned bumper complete the Duster's updated look. Inside, the cabin is more refined and comfortable. Higher quality materials and new technology features elevate the Duster's interior without sacrificing its practicality. The spacious cabin comfortably seats 5 adults, and the cargo area offers plenty of room for all your gear. Dacia understands that every driver is different, which is why the 2024 Duster is available in various trim levels. Each trim offers a unique set of features to suit individual needs and budgets. The base model provides excellent value with standard features like air conditioning, power windows, and a modern infotainment system. Stepping up to higher trims unlocks additional features such as alloy wheels, a larger touchscreen, navigation, and advanced safety systems. No matter which trim you choose, the Duster provides exceptional value for money. It's a testament to Dacia's commitment to offering affordable vehicles without compromising on quality or features. Under the hood, the 2024 Duster offers a range of efficient and capable powertrain options. You can choose from petrol, diesel, and even a bi-fuel petrol LPG engine. The engines are paired with either a manual or an automatic gearbox, depending on the chosen configuration. Dacia has focused on delivering a good balance of power and fuel economy, making the Duster an ideal choice for both city driving and longer journeys. The new platform also contributes to improved handling and ride comfort. Whether navigating tight city streets or cruising on the open road, the Duster feels stable and composed, ready for anything on the road and beyond. Don't let the Duster's affordability fool you. It's a capable SUV that can handle various terrains. The optional 4-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability on slippery surfaces and challenging off-road conditions. With its generous ground clearance, short overhangs, and robust build, the Duster can tackle rough tracks, muddy trails, and steep inclines with ease. For those who enjoy venturing off the beaten path, the Duster offers an impressive level of off-road capability for its price point. The Duster, still the budget king. The 2024 Dacia Duster continues to reign supreme in the budget SUV segment. With its updated design, enhanced features, efficient powertrains, and impressive off-road capabilities, the Duster offers an unbeatable combination of practicality, affordability, and capability. Whether you're a first-time buyer looking for an affordable and versatile vehicle, or a seasoned adventurer seeking a reliable companion for your next off-road excursion, the Duster has something to offer everyone. Dacia has once again proven that you don't need to spend a fortune to own a well-rounded and capable SUV. The Duster is a testament to their commitment to delivering value-packed vehicles that meet the needs of everyday drivers. So, if you're in the market for a budget SUV that doesn't compromise, the 2024 Dacia Duster is a clear winner.